Hey everyone! If you're diving into data science, you've probably come across the challenge of working with categorical data. Today I want to show you exactly how to turn those text-based categories into numbers your machine learning models can actually use. Let's start with the basics. Most machine learning algorithms only understand numbers. If you give them words like red, green, or blue, they'll just stare back at you, totally confused. So we need to encode those categories. There are two main techniques for this: label encoding and one-hot encoding. First up, label encoding. Imagine you have a feature called size with categories, small, medium, and large. Label encoding gives each category a unique number. Small becomes 0, medium turns into 1, and large is 2. Simple, right? But here's the trick. Label encoding is only good for ordinal data. That means there's a natural order to the categories. Small, medium, and large make sense in that order. The numbers preserve that relationship, so your model knows that medium is bigger than small and large is bigger than both. But what if your categories don't have a natural order? Like red, green, and blue. If you label encode those as 0, 1, and 2, your model might think blue is somehow greater than green, or green is greater than red. And that's totally misleading. That's why we have one-hot encoding. One-hot encoding is the go-to method for nominal data, categories with no inherent order. Here's how it works. For every unique category, you create a new column. So if your feature is color and you have red, green, and blue, you make 3 columns. Color underscore red, color underscore green, and color underscore blue. Now, for each row, you put a 1 in the column that matches the category, and 0s everywhere else. For example, if the original value is red, the new columns would be 1, 0, 0. Green would be 0, 1, 0. And blue would be 0, 0, 1. No artificial ranking, no confusion for your algorithms, just clean binary signals. This approach is super popular and works great for data like cities, brands, or any feature where the order doesn't matter. So to wrap up, use label encoding for features with a meaningful order like sizes or ratings. Use one-hot encoding for features where the order doesn't matter, like colors or cities. Choosing the right encoding method is a small step that can make a huge difference in your model's performance. Happy coding, and keep those categories under control.